moderate, with higher priced homes remaining in higher demand. Lower priced homes revealed the weakest demand. It's Friday, September 2nd, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the market is doing locally, so be sure to subscribe for our weekly updates. So, what's this home demand index thing? It measures and tracks housing demand, home prices, and buyer activities. Since higher priced homes are still moving while lower priced homes are slower, this indicates that a lot of the first time and move up buyers are not in the market. Yet, the more affluent are still buying homes because they understand that prices are going to continue to rise, and so will mortgage rates. Those home buyers who purchased a home in 2021 already had their home appreciation grow up to 20%. In fact, experts just weighed in on home price forecast and adjusted their original January 22 predictions based on these past 8 months. As you can see from this graphic, 5 of the 6 biggest housing price forecasters have more than doubled their appreciation forecast for 2022. Why are these experts confident that home prices will rise, some as much as 16% just this year? Supply and demand still remain factors in pushing prices up. Check out my blog at www.kbartonrealtor.com for a deeper dive here. And let's take a look at the inventory movement over this past week for Maryland. 964 properties are coming soon, down 5% from last report. 1,469 were listed for sale, falling 15%. 779 went under contract, down 7.15%. 1,393 are temporarily off the market, up slightly from last report. 1,040 went pending, a 16.9% drop. 2,023 properties sold, up 64%, selling in 10 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week sold for $3,600,000 in Potomac. On the rental front, inventory went up further this week to 1,737 available, up at $2,600 per month. These have been on the market for 21 days. Are you thinking about moving? I believe you should feel confident about buying or selling a home. Call me to talk about how we can make this happen for you. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for September 2nd, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, enjoy your Labor Day holiday weekend.